that crime has started from Magunta Srinivasulu Reddy. He met Arvind Kejriwal and Arvind Kejriwal said to discuss it with Kavita. So this is how it has happened, even according to their story. So when ED and CBI said that, they have failed to make Magunta Srinivas Reddy as an accused. They have failed to give answer to it. Till today he was not made an as accused. And they say that two other people has Raghu Magunta has given money out of the 100 crore which was given for the South lobby to the North people. Yet he is roaming freely. He is not being arrested. He became approver. And there are several other statements of the accused persons which were given, in which I was not named. But they won't take that. They take the statement in which was given when they were in her custody. CBI arrested, ED arrested few people. When arrested, they have taken the statement. They rely on that statement. But they won't rely on the earlier statements given by the same accused while they were living outside. This itself shows that they are picking and choosing. The investigation agency should not be like that. There should be an uniformity in the investigation. Today, Supreme Court has clearly found that ED and CBI are an untrustworthy prosecution, unworthy prosecution.
Sir, Supreme Court has also taken strong exception on Delhi High Court observation on highly educated
High
women.
Court has said that if you are highly educated, bail should not be granted to you. I am not understanding what is that law and what is the criteria adopted by the High Court. Section 45 says it gives an exemption to Sikh women and persons under 16 years of age. So now she is a woman. So court mean to say that if she is highly educated, if she is MP, she is no longer a woman. It can't be like that. Women were given certain safeguards in CRPC as well as in PMLA. So you have to follow it. Supreme Court has said that High Court judgment is absurd and it is perverse. Supreme Court has clearly used this word perverse. Therefore, it shall not be binding on other courts also.
Sir, Supreme Court हिंदी में बता दीजिए